Welcome back to Best Car Fixes. Please subscribe, share, and like. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Today we have this car here. Is a Ford Explorer, could be 2012, 1113. We're using Ford interface. Here we have the Ford. I'm going to show you what we need to do. Let me start the new session. Ignition is on. We changed the ABS control module. Can I put a used one? Yes, you can put a used one. But be sure that you have to configure it, you have to program it. Okay? If you don't do that, it will not work. Most of the time, if the car is new, you just download as-built data and it's good. If the car is a little bit older, you have to put as-built data by coding. You know, like you put numbers one by one till it works. So I'm using my laptop, and I'm trying to see if everything will work. So stay with us. It's not yet, it's communicating. We're gonna follow step by step. First, we're gonna run a diagnostic to see what's going on, and then what fault we have, and then we take it from there. Please stay with us, and I really appreciate your support. Okay. So this is the car, 2014, and I will go to test, self-test, all DTC, just to be sure what is wrong in the car. Please, if you are specialized in Ford, get a Ford tools. If you are specialized in Toyota, get the original Toyota. It will help you a lot. So now I'm reading all the DTC. This is a different radio than the other one. Alternator is charging. I'm gonna look for the alternator input and output later on to see how many wiring is there and the input and output compared with others. Stay with us. Stay with me on the left side. You see here we have ABS problem. The first code is ABS. The code is U, and that's because U3002 vehicle identification, lost communication. That's a 4x4. Lost communication, anti-lock brake, maybe all history. If you all this code, we consider it a screen recording, instrument cluster. They all have like a communication line, and this is a lot. There's a lot of codes here. You can get all this on the data section. You see high speed, airbag, maybe the battery was disconnected or something, but I'm just gonna try to give you the information what is meaning. Now I have this one here, say ABS, U communication. Let me clear the codes. You're gonna clear all these codes. Let me turn the key off. Engine off, ignition on. Turn this power off. See all these codes after we program it. Maybe you have to initialize it, and I will show you how I don't have no code for initialization, but let's just do the VIN first. After we clear the codes, I believe it will come back again. Be sure you have internet on it, and this is what you need to do if you have a car with the ABS problem. The ABS, that computer there, is control the wheels. How is, you know, like is control the wheel or is prevent the wheel from lock and the car spin or go out of the control when you are in the speed. But it will not stop the car. For example, if the car in front of you is very in a short distance, by applying hard brake, you only keep going straight, not to spin, but it may not, most of them will not shorten the distance. Okay, I can put a used one if the part number is the same, yes. But the VIN number, you have to rewrite it or you have to reprogram it. Because as soon as the computer see VIN number is different, that means configuration is different. The way they talk is not gonna be the same. So now I clear the codes and I need to read it again to see how many codes are there now. Okay. Now it say wait. Okay, now let me go down. How many code left? If you see here, I have 2 code left. One for ABS, VIN, and one for control module. This one keep coming all the time. I don't know why. I have it in another car also. This one here, 44-2F instrument cluster. But let me go to, maybe it need to be calibrated also. So let me go now to this corner here, and I will go to programming, double click, as-built data, and go to ABS. And now ignition is on, yes. Sometime, okay, VIN calibration. Now you have to look at the VIN. I have 643. Let me see, is that the one? Yes, 643. Say yes. The last VIN 643. You must be online. Sometime it would do it automatically. Newer cars. All the cars, no way. You have to put it manually. I'm waiting. Okay, let me see what he say. He say, we will direct you from another module installation module to obtain part number. Were you direct you from there? Were you directed from another procedure such? No. This function need configuration data in the module to go to this function reset configuration data in the module back to its original factory setting. Only the configuration data is changed during this process. This routine does not affect the calibration level of the module. Okay, I say continue. You have 2 options: entering as-built data manually or automatic. Automatic entry will require the service tool to have internet connectivity. It will receive the data from the as-built database based upon the VIN number and automatically configure the module. Manual entry will provide, but the manual entry will provide multiple screens for the entry of the configuration data, which can be obtained from as-built data database. Select the method. I'm gonna go to automatic. Now we go automatically to look for the data. It retrieved. He say already retrieved. Ensure the action being taken. Ignition on. Now configure. Now let's see what's gonna happen here. Yes. Wow. Everything disappeared. Just tweak. And what is say here? Module configuration is perfect. Now I'm gonna go clear all the DTC. Turn the key off. Maybe it will clear all the. Okay, I'm gonna go back now. I'm gonna go to my DTC. You remember I have 2 here. I have this one and I have this one. So let me try to take care of one. Clear them. Clear them. Enter. Ignition is on. I'm gonna clear it and then read it back again for you. Now I am reading the codes. Now reading the memory codes. Please subscribe, share, and like. And if you have any question, feel free to ask. We need your support. Okay, now I am here. Just give us some time. Okay. Also, they say that there is some kind of the U code maybe need a calibration or anything. When you have this U code, perform is reprogram CCM latest software level. Okay, when you have a Ford code, is say built before October. Okay, some 2015 Mustang, all this car, Explorer, with vehicle built or before this one here may exhibit inoperative adaptive cruise control collision warning system. Reprogram the CCM using the latest software level of the appropriate CCM. Okay, what is a CCM? I don't know what the CCM, but let me see what is CCM. First of all, the code here is no more, right? Okay, this may be CCM. Steering column control module. Wow, you have to reprogram it. Still, I have this code control module U300. I will look at that and see if that need to be programmed. Other than that, I have nothing now. Start it. Let me see if that will fix the problem. Okay, I'm gonna go here, CCM, okay, here, cruise control module. I wanna see if I can reprogram it or update it, if it's gonna fix that problem. Ignition is on. Please wait. No, forget about it. I don't want to go to this one at all. So let's go as Bildara CCM module. I don't want to go do anything that messed up the car. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like. If you have any problem, feel free to ask. And this is Muhammad Harun Idris. Thank you.